Hi guys, Phil Turtle here with another tip on how to present like a pro. Today I'm going to tell you about one of the characters that we act, and that is the Jester. Now, I'm sure you've all been in really boring, awful presentations. And one of the things that helps to keep the audience awake, engaged, is a bit of humour and a bit of levity. That's always a good thing in context, and not just for the sake of it, although I'll apologise now because I'm going to show you a demonstration in a minute which is completely out of context and uses a couple of really awful jokes, just to illustrate the point. So if you think in terms of comedians you see on the TV, it's sort of that Tah Dah moment where the hands are out, it's completely unbalanced, it's asymmetric. So this hand's up here, that one's down here, I mean it might be down there, although to me that looks a bit too much like a teapot. So, or it might even be just one out like that. But it's that ta-da moment that sort of accompanies the punchline. So, okay, how might we use that? Well, okay, you might be telling a story about yourself, your past life, as a bit of a metaphor to explain something in your presentation. So maybe, so there I was, and standing on this chair, and I decided to jump off. It was a bit of a show-off, really, and it was one of those plastic garden chairs. So I jumped, and there I was on the floor, total mess, ego in pieces. Or, okay, maybe we're telling a joke. So here's one I came across today, and it made me chuckle. It's pretty awful, but... So, my dog used to chase people on a bike. But it got so bad, I had to take his bike away. And, how about... I forgot to go to the gym today. That's the 7th year! Okay, so I've made a right ham of that, but you get the idea. It's an asymmetric gesture, it's the ta-da moment, and it's showing that you're out for a bit of fun, a bit of levity, and you want to get the audience chuckling because that wakes them all up and gets them engaged. So that's one of the characters we act, one of the sets of hand gestures we use, the Jester. So practice it. Practice it whilst you're in front of the mirror or in front of a video camera, giving a part of your presentation so that you become a natural with it. So guys, get out there and present like a pro.